Yeah, I would say the most surprising thing on a packing clothing list would be sun protection. Just because you're in the mountains doesn't mean that the sun isn't going to be strong. In fact, at higher elevation, the effect of sun rays is actually stronger than at lower elevation. And that's why here it's in mid-July, it's quite hot out, and I've got my sun hat on, I've got my UV protected sunglasses on, and then I also have a lot of sunscreen on myself, lathered up everywhere, and then my sun gloves. And what's important to remember is also to put sunscreen on the underside, including under the nose, because a lot of this sun ray actually gets bounced back off of these smooth monolithic granite that you see in Yosemite very frequently. That actually can reflect a lot of the sun rays and the UV rays back into back into the skin surface. And that's why you want to make sure that when you apply sunscreen, it's not just on top, but also all around in all exposed areas.